Okay friends, I discovered this about a month ago on my 95 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's an OBD1 code reader, and it's hard to find anybody that's got an OBD1 reader. But I saw this online where if you turn the switch on and back off 3 times, then turn it back on and let it sit, the check engine light will blink and that'll give you the error codes. So I just got an check engine light on this 97, on my 97 Cherokee, so I have tried it, and watch this friends. This is great. I love it. Now we wait. Code 12. Code 31. I don't know what that other noise was. I hadn't found that out yet. Code 55. That tells you that the codes are finished reading and complete. Now the check engine light is back on. Now just watch this, folks. My Google Assistant. '97 Jeep Cherokee, engine code 12.
According to Jeep Cherokee Forum, code 12 means that the battery has been disconnected at some point within the last 50 starts.
That is correct. I cleaned the terminals and reconnected the battery terminals. Now, Jeep Cherokee 1997, engine code 31.
According to Allpar, Chrysler fault code 31, purge solenoid open or shorted. For model years before 1987, and all L body models, a code 31 indicates that the purge canister solenoid circuit is open or shorted.
How about that, friends? You don't need a code reader. You don't need to spend $40+ buying one. Just turn your key on and off 3 times and then turn it back on and wait for the codes to come up. And then just Google them. There they are. Hope this helps you guys.